All right, so the interesting thing about the modulus in C# is it will work with floating point values as well. So if I do 24 dot, so if I have numlock on, dot 23, like these doubles, notice that our modulus is giving us back a floating point or a double value there, 17.77. C# or C++ only works with integer for the modulus. C# will work with, well, doubles for this. You could specifically say float and make this a float there. Float, float. This will work the same. It was doing a little bit weird where this is a float, but it is complaining that it's a double. It seems to think that's a double for some reason. Not convert source type double to target type float. So if I just put an F there, then it will become a float. I'm not sure exactly why it sees 24.23 as a double, but that's a easy way to change this. And notice that this is all now floating point arithmetic that it's doing. Same things that we can do. We can say num1 plus plus console.writeLine num1, and this will print out 43. So it added 1 there. Same with the decrement, and it also has postfix and prefix. So you could do plus plus num1, for instance, and that will increment it in a different order than the num1 plus plus. Same with the decrement. So those are all the different operators that you have. There is in the table, there's a list of the different operators along with their associativity, meaning how are they actually evaluated, left to right versus right to left. So left to right means that if you have something like console.writeLine num1 plus num2 minus num3, let's just go ahead and create a num3, int num3 is equal to 10. Left to right means that this is going to be evaluated first, so we'll put parentheses around that, and then all of this is going to be evaluated. The parentheses are not actually needed just because it's going to complain it's redundant, but I always like to put parentheses when doing calculations so I know what is getting evaluated when. So left to right means that this is going to be evaluated, and then the answer from this is going to be evaluated with the minus. So even though the addition and subtraction have the same precedence, they are evaluated left to right, and so that is what their associativity is. Some of them which are evaluated right to left will be the unary operators and the assignment operators and conditional operators. Those are evaluated from right to left. So be aware of those when you start using them.